Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear guys, for my dear lovely audience. In this video, I'll describe some dry, cool welding project ideas for beginners and enthusiasts looking to work with metal and in creative ways. So, welded metal flowers create a decorative metal flowers by welding together scrap metal, nuts and bolts to form petals and stem. So this can be used as garden art or home decor and beginners to intermediate. It is also a skill level. So tips when we talk about paint the metal flowers to add color and give them a more vibrant look. And a metal coat rack, my dear guys, weld together metal pipes or rods to create a sturdy and a unique coat racks. You can add hooks or small sections of rebar for hanging coats or bags. And skill level, my dear guys, beginners, it is add a decorative touch by welding small gear or an industrial piece onto the end. And a fire pit, construct a fire pit from scrap steel sheets or old rims. You can create simple geometric shapes or more intricate design like cutout patterns for air circulation and different skill level, my dear guys. Intermediate tips: add handles or raised legs to make the fire pit easier to move and use. It is also so welded table base. Different ideas: create a modern table base by welding together metal bars, rods, or tubes in interesting geometric patterns. So top it with the wood, gloss or stone slab, and a skill level. Intermediate, experiment with different angles and shapes for a unique table. These designs. So welded wine rack, my dear guys, use rebar or metal rods to weld a custom wine rack. You can create a simple greater spiral design to hold wine bottle securely. So a skill level beginners add a wall mounting option or build a tabletop version depending on your space. And a metal sculpture where a small piece of scrap metal together to form abstract sculpture. An animal or character, this is a great way to express creativity and recycle old material. So skill level intermediate, use a grinder to smooth edges and polish the finished piece for a more professional look. So welded garden bench, my dear guys, a different idea which I prescribed in my video. A welded garden bench, construct a sturdy garden bench by welding together metal pipes or steel frames and a wooden or metal seating surface for comfort and style. And a skill level, intermediate, consider incorporating recycled material like old bed frames or pipes for a unique and eco-friendly design. So metal yard art, my dear guys, create a fun yard art by welding together old tools, scrap metal, and other recycled material. Popular ideas include metal animal, insect or abstract art, and also skill level. My dear guys, a beginner to intermediate tips: use rust resistant paint to protect the metal from the element and give it a long lasting finish. And a welded candle holder, weld together small metal pots like washers, bolts, or cut out a piece of sheet and metal to form decorative candle holder. So these can be a wall mounted or tabletop design. And in skill level, beginners experiment with the different metal texture and finishes for a more artistic design. And welded hook or hangers, create hooks for hanging coats, hats, tools, or towels by welding metal rods, scrap steel, So add these hooks to a wooden base or directly to the wall. And a skill level beginners, it's also on a beginning uh, point. You can create a custom shapes like animal or initial at the top of the hook for a personalized touch. So custom metal picture frames, well the metal tubing rods to create a custom picture frames. So this could be an industrial or rustic design that adds a character to your photos or artwork. And in a skill level, intermediate, add decorative elements such as nuts and bolts to give the frame extra flavors. And a metal wall art, my dog guys design metal wall art by cutting or welding together metal shapes and design. You can create a word, geometric patterns or an abstract design to hang on a wall. So intermediate, it's also skill level, means on the skill level in which a person can be work, paint or powder coat the finished product to prevent rust and add color. So weld lamps or light fixture, build custom lamp bases or hanging light fixture using the welded metal rods or pipes. You can create a modern industrial style lighting for any room. So consider adding addition bulbs or exposed filament lights for vintage look. So metal tool organizer, my dear guys, make a simple tool organizer by welding a metal frame with the hooks and sections for hanging or storing hand tools. And a skill level for beginners, customize the organizer based on your tool collection to maximize storage. And a welded bicycle rack, weld a functional and durable bike rack for your yard or garage. So this can be a straightforward design with a metal tubing bent into a frame and add rubber or plastic protectors to prevent bike damage when parking. And weld furniture legs, create a unique furniture legs for tables or chairs by welding metal rods or square table tubing into creative shapes. So experiment with the different angles and design feature to give your furniture a modern or an industrial look. So my dear guys, some metal jewelry stand or also make well the small rods are rebar into jewelry stand that can hold necklaces, rings, and a bracelet. So these pool welding projects are not only creative but also practical, allowing you to practice your welding skills. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video and sharing my video and subscribing my channel. Once again, thank you.